Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down, go for the control and notification panel, tap and hold on the Wi-Fi shortcut in order to open up the Wi-Fi settings, choose the network that you would like to share the password of, then go for this gear icon which stands for the particular Wi-Fi network settings, and in here tap on this QR code at the left bottom corner of your display. So all you gotta do now is take the second smartphone. In my case it's going to be Nokia Android smartphone. Open up any QR scanner that the second smartphone has. I'll just use the camera and Google Lens. Frame the QR code that is shown on the screen of your Samsung. Tap on it. And here you will get the join network option. Choose it. And as you will see right now, our Nokia smartphone has successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network, as we have it right here. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and bye bye.